and welcome, my beautiful people. Today, I am sharing with you all an amazing extraordinary recipe to make your hair grow fast. It is a natural remedy that gives you a good results. Your hair will grow longer, fuller and stop falling out. It is an ideal remedy for all hair types. It is a 100% natural and effective toner for abundant hair growth. It makes your hair thick, long, shiny and silky. Before watching video, if you are new, kindly like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Let's move to the remedy. For this abundance hair growth remedy we need rice. Rice treats hair loss and stimulates hair growth. In a clean saucepan we put 3 tablespoons of rice. You can use whatever rice you want. Rice water, increased hair volume, better hair shine and appearance, stronger follicles, repair to cuticle damage, dandruff prevention and anti-inflammatory effects on the scalp. The next powerful ingredient we add is curry leaves. Here we take handful of dry curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in nutrients that can stimulate new hair growth and prevent hair loss. The beta-carotene and protein in curry leaves can help to strengthen the hair shaft, while iron and vitamins B and C can help to nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Last but not least, we add orange peel in this remedy. Orange peel contains vitamin C that fights stubborn dandruff. Antioxidants promote hair growth, makes hair smooth, shiny and voluminous. It conditions, hydrates and detangles frizzy dry hair. It also delays premature graying. Add a glass of water into saucepan and allow it to boil. Switch on the gas flame and cook the mixture till all the ingredients releases its properties. Turn off the gas flame now and let the mixture cool down. Filter the concoction with the help of a strainer or a muslin cloth. Next we add vitamin E oil in this concoction. Add 1 tablespoon vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil works to nourish your scalp and hair, restoring proper function so your hair grows properly. It also increases blood circulation to the scalp, which aids in overall hair growth. Next we add most potent ingredient, that is flaxseed oil in this remedy. Add 1 tablespoon flaxseed oil. The vitamin E in flaxseed oil helps with hair loss and may stimulate new hair growth. Lignans act as strong antioxidants which can help in the regrowth of stronger hair. Topical application of flaxseed oil helps from flaking and nourishes the scalp from within, providing relief from dandruff. Mix all the ingredients well together and pour this concoction in a clean spray bottle. Spray this abundance hair growth toner on your scalp well. Massage your scalp well for 3 minutes. Cover your hair with a plastic cap and a towel. Leave on for 2 hours before shampooing. Repeat this remedy twice a week. This remedy is suitable for all age groups for both men and women. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and share your valuable experience with us in comment section. Kindly subscribe to DIY Nature's Glory for more skin, hair and beauty remedies.